Hey, I'm Briana Marie. Welcome to my channel. This is my workshop where I do most of my stuff. I do stained glass. I'm a musician out in northern Arizona, and I'm a mom of 5. Yes. So I have a crazy life. Come with me and watch all my videos. Okay. One of my favorite things to do is stained glass. And some of my favorite tools, I'll show you guys because they're super awesome, is this saw. I got this like 15 years ago, but they still sell them, and I'll link it down below. You can do almost anything with this thing. That's a cool, fun thing that I'll show you in some upcoming videos. This is my grinder. That's another one of my favorite tools. Makes the whole stained glass experience just up a whole nother level. So yeah, I like to share all my fun tools and things I've learned on this whole journey with you guys, and I can't wait. I also love to paint, and I have a lot of paint, as you can see. And I've got stained glass paint, and I've got acrylics. I've got paint pens over here. I've got lots of brushes. One of my favorite things to do with my paint brushes is put them in little champagne glasses, because it's cute. I don't know. And yeah, super fun. So here's one of my little paintings. This is one of my Halloween decorations. Halloween's coming up, so I'll probably do a video on this guy. But my mom makes these wreaths, and I was like, you know, I want a little guy to put on there. Little Frankenstein, pumpkin. All the holidays are coming up, so follow me for all. I'm gonna do Thanksgiving, Halloween, Christmas, New Year's. And here's some of my Christmas ornaments, and I'll also be showing you guys how to do some of these. They're so fun. My little prickly pear Christmas ornaments. I also sell these, so if you're interested in buying any, I'll send you the link and you guys can go to my Facebook page. Shoot me a message or comment down below. Here's another example of something that I love to do. It's wood burning, and I got a wood burner. And I have been doing that for a few months now, and it is so relaxing, so much fun. So I'll definitely be sharing some of my little tips and tricks on wood burning, hats and wood and different things. So come along with me. Here's another project I've been working on. These are some rainbow trout, stained glass. They're bookends, and I've got to make the wood for him to sit in, but I made these, you know, for my dad. Loves fish. Come along and I'll show you my tricks. So here's another example of something I like to make is pumpkins. This is a stained glass pumpkin. It's not finished yet, but it's gonna stand in a little wood base, and I cut out some pretty little leaves to hang on it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come on back for more videos. I look forward to seeing y'all back here.
In my videos.
Okay. You sure there's no dead bugs in there? Because sometimes there's dead bugs. Yeah, we're out. The first acoustic that I ever got, it's a little broken. Completely blah, 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 blah. Action? No.